Well, man. There's another cool one here that I found here in the wrecking yard. Actually, this car, they were trying to sell this car. I think they were wanting $1,200 for it or something like that. It's got a 1963 AMC Rambler. Yeah. Let's see if I can see the VIN. Where's that VIN on that? Looking at the paper here, but I don't put like putting the dude's information out there. I don't see a VIN on it. No, I don't. At least on here I don't. Anyways, yeah, man. Look at this freaking dash light. Isn't that cool? That is cool. And on top of them all, yeah, found all these. I think they're almost, some of them are Craftsman. Yeah. But, look at that. Fan, cool for heat and high. There's your lever for the off, heat, high. Your lights. Brake releases right there. That's neat. In my pocket. Wipers. How does this work? You pull them out? No, or you turn it. I'm not sure. You defrost, air, off. What was here? I don't know. Okay. Huh. Yeah, it's probably rusted lines. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna assume you, yeah, pull them, release. Okay, cool. But yeah, steering wheel's messed up. That's cool. Kinda like that, right? Oh yeah. Still moves. You can still see the. That's nice. Let's see, does this work here? Heck yeah. Oh, that one doesn't. Barely. Oops. Nothing in there. Wait, what's in there? Awesome. Razor blades. And they got duals. Oh, nothing really in there though. There it is. What does that say? Classic 660. Yeah. That's cool. We got maybe, I don't know, something baking in the condiment baking in the sun. What does that say? It's your choice. Oh, I wish I could read that. Wish I could read what that says. Yeah, majority was taken off. Cool though. Had one of these, I like this style of a floor mat. Yeah. This car is sitting on the other side of the fence, if you see over there. Not really supposed to be here, you know. So I'm like kind of ducking down so they don't see me, but they may. If you hear somebody scream at me, I gotta ride out. Anyways, yeah, man. Bench seat car, obviously. Oh crap. Oh, that's nice, like that door handle. I mean, that. I'm assuming it's the. Not sure what this one's for. Is it to go? No, because there's a put it back and forth. Huh, that's interesting. Okay, I guess you could move this. I wonder if this will go all the way back on this. Oh, I don't know. Almost seems like, yeah, this thing was adjustable, man. Yeah, that's neat. This back seat, this bench was adjustable. Looks like it, right? That's what I'm assuming. You could, like, you know, get a little tilt in it. Yeah, that's cool. That is cool. These door handles are nice. I like that. Yeah, that is nice. Yeah, she's a four-door, man. And she's sitting on them wire rims. Yeah. Millennium, Texas State Trooper Association, 2000. Look at that. Yeah, the styling on these cars, man. That's cool. See some marbles. We used to play with marbles back in the day, man. Oh crap, I see another one. Look at that. What's this? Yeah. I don't think kids play with marbles anymore. No need to. Oh crap. I said this car. Oh man, close that door. I'll get a good shot of it. This corner is about as good as a shot I can get. But she's sitting. Damn it, let's slide. Should close that. She won't close neither. Oh, there she is. There it is. I get a better shot like that, right? Yeah. Look at that. I'm not a fan of the wheels on this car. I'm not saying I'm not a fan of wire wheels. I like them, but not on this car. I don't know, did it go with it? To each their own. Classic. Like my name, classic. Bill, what's that? Renault. Boulder. Is that Boulder, Colorado? I don't know, there's a Boulder, Texas, is there? 600 Rambler. It's bitched up. Let me get my, see if I can open that trunk again. Oh, there we go. The hubcaps for it. That's where I found all the all those little sockets. I get this tool for the knockoff, to knock off your knockoffs. There's a mallet. That's also, they use those so you don't mess up. They usually have them lead too. Oh crap. Junkyard does all this. Well, yeah, like that there. And I can't open that door. Nope. Oh, it's a V8. How's that front end? Not in the best of shapes though. Unfortunately, all bitched up. That grill's all bitched up. Who knows AMC? I'm not at all familiar, so I don't know this engine. Y'all let me know what it is. Okay. Guessing that's the VIN on it. Hood's obviously pitched up. Yeah, I don't see a VIN here. Well, there it is, man. Let me get up out of here before they notice that I'm here. Because they don't like this at all. They don't like people in here at all. You know, let's see. You can see that like so. Like that. You know, you hit it with the mallet. I think it's reversible on this. Yeah, they're reversed. That's drums. Well, that's it, man. Let me get out of here before they say something. There it is. That's cool to see. You hardly ever see anything like this in the yards, even in the 4-door. All right.